Hi there, you're watching Market Glance, an overview of the top stories which may affect your trades, as reported by investing.com and brought to you by Dukascopy TV. Euro-dollar was up 0.44% to 1.2461 in late trade. The dollar remained lower despite data showing US consumer sentiment rose to an almost 8-year high in December. It was boosted by the improving outlook for employment and wage growth and lower gasoline prices. The Canadian dollar fell to 5.5-year lows, with the US dollar against the Canadian dollar hitting highs of 1.1590 before easing back to 1.1578 in late trade. Canada is a major oil exporter, and the currency's sensitivity to crude prices has intensified as prices continue to tumble. The Russian ruble fell to record lows against the dollar on Friday after a rate hike by the country's central bank. Dollar ruble jumped to 3.23% to 58.20 late Friday. Stocks in Asia slipped to 9-month lows today as oil prices dipped to 5.5-year lows over supply glut concerns and slower global growth. Japan's Nikkei share average fell 1.3%, drawing little momentum from Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe's big election victory on Sunday, which was a boost for his reflationary economic policies. The Australian dollar hit a low of $0.8204. The currency has so far seen limited impact from a hostage situation in a cafe in the heart of Sydney's financial district. Gold futures dipped modestly on Friday, but still ended the week up nearly 3% as investors sought shelter from steep losses in oil and equity markets. On the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange, gold futures for February delivery declined 0.25% to settle at $1,222.50 a troy ounce by close of trade. Also on the COMEX, silver futures for March delivery shed 0.32% on Friday to settle the week at $17.05 a troy ounce by close of trade. Elsewhere in metals trading, copper for March delivery tacked on 0.45% on Friday to settle at $2.934 a pound after disappointing data from China fanned expectations for more stimulus. Oil prices continued to tumble on Friday to hit the lowest level since 2009 as investors piled onto their short positions in anticipation of lower prices into the new year. On the ICE Futures Exchange in London, Brent for January delivery hit $61.35 a barrel, a level not seen since July 2009, before settling at $61.85. Elsewhere on the New York Mercantile Exchange, crude oil for delivery in January tumbled 3.57% on Friday to end the week at $57.81 a barrel, after hitting a daily low of $57.40, the weakest level since May 2009. That's all for Market Glance. Thanks for watching and keep tuning in to Dukascopy TV for our regular updates.